Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to quickly convert units on Redmi 14R. If you are, for example, texting someone and you want to convert unit from centimeters to inches, from gallons to liters, etc., then enter the value with a unit and then press and hold, double tap on it and click on the Google sign. It will convert it automatically and show you the result. You can quickly set it to inches, feet, or meter in that case, or click here and you can choose all of the available options, like for example convert it to yards, and then you can double tap on it and click on copy, then paste it here. You can do the same with, for example, liters. It will convert it to, for example, gallons. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.